The 2025 Bugatti La Voiture Noire is the pinnacle of automotive luxury, performance, and exclusivity. As the most expensive car in the world, it is more than just a vehicle, it is a masterpiece of engineering and design, crafted for the elite few who can afford it. Bugatti, known for pushing the boundaries of speed and elegance, has outdone itself with this one-of-a-kind hypercar. Every detail, from its aerodynamic curves to its handcrafted interior, exudes sophistication and innovation. At the heart of the 2025 Bugatti La Voiture Noire lies an 8.0-liter quad-turbocharged W16 engine, the same powerplant found in the legendary Chiron. However, this beast has been fine-tuned to produce an astonishing 1,600 horsepower, delivering breathtaking acceleration and top speeds that rival the fastest cars on the planet. The engine roars with authority, a symphony of raw power and precision engineering. With a 0 to 60 mph time of just over 2.4 seconds and a top speed exceeding 260 miles per hour, this machine is built to dominate the road while maintaining an air of effortless grace. Bugatti has always been about exclusivity, but La Voiture Noire takes this to a whole new level. This car is a tribute to the legendary Bugatti Type 57 SC Atlantic, one of the rarest and most beautiful cars ever built. The 2025 La Voiture Noire embodies that same spirit of rarity and craftsmanship, with only a single unit ever made. That's right, just one. This makes it the ultimate collector's piece, a rolling work of art that money alone cannot buy. Owning this car means possessing a piece of history, an automotive sculpture that will never be replicated. The exterior design of the La Voiture Noire is nothing short of breathtaking. Its sleek, all-black carbon fiber bodywork gives it a menacing yet elegant presence. The flowing lines and sculpted surfaces create a sense of movement even when the car is standing still. The iconic Bugatti C-line is seamlessly integrated into the design, enhancing its aerodynamics while maintaining the brand's signature aesthetic. The custom-made wheels, futuristic LED headlights, and the 6 exhaust setup at the rear add to its aggressive yet refined personality. Every inch of this hypercar has been meticulously designed to perfection. Step inside, and you are greeted by an interior that redefines luxury. The finest materials, including hand-stitched leather, polished aluminum, and carbon fiber, are used to create a cabin that is as comfortable as it is striking. The driver-centric cockpit features a state-of-the-art digital display, offering a blend of high-tech functionality and classic elegance. Every control, every switch, and every surface is crafted with precision, ensuring an experience that is both intuitive and opulent. Unlike many hypercars that prioritize speed over comfort, the La Voiture Noire provides an unrivaled sense of refinement, making it a true grand tourer for the modern era. When it comes to pricing, the 2025 Bugatti La Voiture Noire holds the title of the most expensive new car ever sold. With a staggering price tag of over $19 million, this car is reserved for the wealthiest enthusiasts who demand the absolute best. The price isn't just about performance, it's about exclusivity, craftsmanship, and a legacy that spans over a century of automotive excellence. Bugatti has once again demonstrated that it is in a league of its own, creating a car that transcends mere transportation and becomes a symbol of ultimate luxury and status. The La Voiture Noire isn't just about speed or luxury, it's about emotion. It's a car that tells a story, a tribute to Bugatti's rich heritage and a glimpse into the future of hypercars. It embodies the perfect blend of artistry and engineering, proving that a car can be both a technological marvel and an object of pure beauty. For those fortunate enough to witness it in person, it leaves an unforgettable impression, a reminder of what is possible when innovation meets passion. In the world of automobiles, there are fast cars, there are luxurious cars, and then there is the Bugatti La Voiture Noire. It stands alone as the ultimate expression of automotive excellence, a machine that defies expectations and redefines what it means to own a hypercar. With its jaw-dropping design, mind-blowing performance, and unparalleled exclusivity, the 2025 Bugatti La Voiture Noire is more than just a car, it is the most expensive masterpiece on wheels.